The biggest problem that I run into with runners or people that are very highly active is a lot of people are worried about stretching before they go on their long runs. The most important thing that they can do is get a good dynamic warm up in. So, a lot of good things that they can do, high knees, jumping jacks, leg swings, back and forth, forward and backward, because you want to get the blood flow to the areas that you're going to be working. The last thing you want to do is just statically stretch all of those muscles and then go run 10 miles. After you do your workout or your run is when you want to do the static stretches. So a lot of patients will come in and they'll say, I stretch before I do my run and it doesn't really help me so much. Because there's no blood flow to the area, you're just standing there bending forward, touching your toes, pulling your toes up towards you. You want to get the blood flowing, you want to get the heart rate up before you get started. That's a very important thing to remember.